Hello friends, I'm a little turtle and today you're going to fool me out of paper. Get your sheet ready and let's start making me step by step. Yay! I'm ready. You made me look so cool. Now let me share some turtle secrets with you. I can live for more than 100 years. That's a really long life. And guess what? Even though I have a hard shell, I can feel it when someone touches me. Amazing, right? If you enjoyed making me and learning my turtle facts, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Bye bye.